guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pranjla and I really hope that you all are doing well. So as you read by the title, in today's video we're doing the most trending makeup thing on Instagram, but we're doing this on YouTube. So yeah, so the trend is the Barbie Fairy Bratz trend, but we're gonna twist the trend a little bit and we're gonna do one look with all the three components in it. Okay, so nobody has ever done this. I'm the first one to do it. And please, if you get inspired and if you like it, if you like the efforts, then please give this video a thumbs up. Keep on watching till the very end. I don't even know how this would actually turn out, but you already know because you've already seen it in the Instagram reel. If you do not follow me there, then please follow me. The link is in description, handle on the screen. So yeah, and if you try this, then please give the due credits. And now, without wasting time, let's just dive into the video. Before we start, I want to let you know that this is my mirror and I'm gonna keep looking at it. So yeah, let's start. Starting with the base, I'll use this Insight 3-in-1 primer. Now onto the brows, I'll be using this My Glam Brow Powder plus Eyeliner Duo, and this is how the wand looks like. Brows done, and I'm gonna take the concealer, which is Insight 2X Cover Master in the shade 01, and I will prep my lids with this. And we'll blend this concealer out with the buffing brush. Next, to set the lids, I'm using this Hilary Rhoda Loose Powder plus Compact. Starting with the eye makeup, I'm using this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, and I picked that lavender shade on a smudger brush, but I will just trace that through my crease. Now I'm taking that flat thin brush and I'm gonna take some concealer to cut the crease. Before you go in with the shadow on the lid, you need to set that with some powder. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I'm taking the same palette and that rosy pink color, and I'm gonna apply that all over my lid. For better placement and precision, I'm using the smaller brush. Now I'm taking the same My Glam Eyeliner Duo and will draw a very thin wing liner. Now to clean any excess fallout or any dirt, I'm going to use a makeup remover wipe. And now it's time for some dramatic lashes. I'm using this Kalilas Beauty lash set. And yeah. And now I'm using this Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara to coat all my lashes together, like the fake ones and the real ones. We're sort of done with the Bratz eyes, but now let's start with the base. So I'm using this Insight Color Corrector palette, and I'll take that corrector to just hide all my scars and blemishes. And then I'm taking the Hilary Rhoda compact powder to set the corrector in place. Now from the same corrector palette, I took that contour shade to slightly contour my face before we go on with the foundation. Now it's time for the foundation. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230, and I'm taking this foundation application brush and I'll blend with the same brush. It's convenient. Taking the same Insight 2X Cover Master Concealer to highlight wherever I need. That means under eyes, brow bone area, like above the brows, bridge of the nose, chin and forehead. And slightly below the contour area as well. Again, to set the concealer in place using the same Hilary Rhoda powder. On to the next element of Bratz eyes. I'm taking that liner and will make a fox liner. Yeah. And then I'm gonna fill that sparse area with some white kohl. So the white kohl I'm using here is from Miss Claire. Now it's time for the component number 2, which is Fairy, and we're gonna load ourselves with a lot of blush. I'm using this My Glam K-Play flavored blush, and yeah, I'm applying this all over my face and I'm talking to myself there. It's okay. Now for the highlighter, I'm using this Makeup Revolution highlighter, my favorite, and yeah, I'm just using this all over my face. You can see, right? Cheekbones, nose, and forehead, cupid's bow, chin, everywhere. Now for the freckles, I didn't have any precise brush, so I'm using the back of my brush, and don't worry, it's not that pointy. Now I'm taking that same lavender shade. I didn't go overboard with the freckles, so I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, after making them, I just pressed them down with my fingers like that, and then taking some paper gems to stick them on my forehead for the fairy part. On to the component number 3, which is Barbie. So I'm doing Barbie lips. So I just took that ADS lip liner and will fill my lips with that liner, and after that I'll go with the My Glam Lit Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Draking, and over that I'll go with the lip gloss. Now to give some extra definition to the Barbie lips, I'm using this CoverPot from Cuffs and Lashes in the shade White, and will just pat that on my lips with a precise brush. Last element from the Bratz category, we need a mole on our face. So I'm just taking that liner again, and that's my mole. A fairy is incomplete without a tiara, so yeah, here you go. And this is the final look. Alright guys, this is the final look. Please let me know in the comment section if you liked it. I am loving this look. This turned out to be really good. I felt कि सब अलग-अलग लगेगा, but no, it looks like a complete look. So yeah, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. बहुत innovation लगी है इस video में. So please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe किए बिना मत जाना. Subscribe करके bell icon पे click करना मत भूलना so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram. Link is in description. Handle on the screen. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video super soon.